What's going on YouTube? Another day, another video. We're gonna be doing a rear brake pad replacement on a ACURA MDX. On this one we're gonna need some special tools because this one has the electronic parking assist. We had to remove this first. Let me show you the tools we're gonna need. We need the T30. It's like let's start looking 6 little points. Don't worry if you don't have the hole. It has to be Thumb 30. T as a thumb on 30. Gonna need your ratchet, 13mm socket. Now you need this tool right here so you can compress the caliper piston. And this one right here is really important. If you don't have this, try to find at least one with one little pin so you can push in the pin. And this one, of course, so you can hold the inner ones. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the electric park assist, the electronic with the T30. You're gonna grab this one here. Let me give you a better idea. You have 2 bolts, one in here and the other one up here, right there. So go ahead and remove those 2. One here and the other one, and all you have to do is pry this one out. Let me go ahead and remove that one. I'll show you right now. Alright, so the 2 T30s are being removed. So all you have to do, you don't even have to disconnect the plug. So all you have to do is pry this one out. Boom, just like that. Just out. As you can see on the inside, that's how it looks. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the 2 13mm top and bottom. This one is gonna spin out, so I like to hold it with vice grips. Alright, so the caliper has been removed with 2 13mm. First thing you have to check this one is free. Good, you're good to go. Now see, this is the piston caliper. You see also 3 incisions. You have to push that in. It won't go in just by prying it. No, you have to twist and push at the same time. So that's why we have this tool right here. Let me set it up in there, and so you can have an idea how it works. Alright, so this is how it sits. See the adapter in there. All I have to do is twist this one to the clockwise. Clockwise is gonna push that in. You're gonna have to go half a turn, because this thing bends or something like that. Let me see. I'm not able to do one hand, but something like this. Let's see. Yeah, no, I'm not able with one hand. But you guys get the idea. You guys need this tool. Now the kit that I have, it comes with the 3 points. But this one won't fit on mine, so I'm using the single one. I already did the other side, so I know it works, but it takes you time. So push that one all the way in, and that's it. From there is replace the pads with the new ones. Our new kit comes with the new shims. To me personally, I don't like to replace them because sometimes they're bigger and start scratching on the rotor. So yeah, I leave the same ones. New pads. I like to add some compound or some anti-seize so it can stick better and stop making no noise or nothing. So let me show you once you push all of the piston in, and then to install everything back is gonna be backwards as how we remove that. Alright, so it's already pushed in. So now we're gonna go ahead and the new brake pads installed. That you see brown in there is anti-seize. You don't have to do it, but if you have it, or if you have something laying around, you can use it. So this point I'm just gonna install the caliper. I think I need to push it in a little bit more. I need 2 hands so I can install it, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so caliper is in. Both 13mm. Hold this one, tight this one down. I'll go all the way to the end, and then I'll go like half a turn, a quarter a turn. I have the torque specs. Now for the seal. On this one I have a rubber here. See the seal in here? It's rubber. What I like to do, you can put even oil or something. I use Vaseline. Love it. Put some all the way on the seal. So once you install this little motor, put them in there, just like this. Pushed in. You push in and it goes right away. Guys, I can't really do much with one hand, but you guys get the idea. You install this one and the bolts, and boom, just make sure it's all the way in. So let me go ahead and tie this tooth on and then install this. And that's pretty much, I should end the video in there.